Ever wondered if you need a Scrooge McDuck money bin to start investing? Let's face it, diving into the world of investing can feel intimidating. There's a whole new vocabulary to learn, charts that look like a dragon's EKG, and then there's the question of money. How much do you actually need to get started? Well, fear not, aspiring investors. Today, we're cracking open the vault on Questrade, a popular online brokerage in Canada, to see how much you need to turn your pocket change into a portfolio powerhouse. Spoiler alert, you won't need $1 million, although, hey, that wouldn't hurt. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a sec. Why Questrade? There are a bunch of online brokers out there, each with their own quirks and perks. Questrade is known for its low fees, which is a big deal when you're starting out. Every penny you save on fees goes straight into your potential returns, like compound interest on your financial education. Plus, Questrade offers different account types, which means you can tailor your investing experience to your goals. Think of it like choosing your character in a video game. There's the tax-sheltered adventurer, the growth-focused gladiator. You get the idea. So, how much do I need to start with Questrade? Now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. To simply open a Questrade account, you actually only need a measly $1. That's right, one whole dollar. It's basically like getting a free library card, but instead of borrowing books, you're borrowing access to the investment world. Wait, there's a catch? Hold on there, investment cowboy. While a buck gets you in the door, it won't exactly let you loose on Wall Street. To actually buy stocks, bonds, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, those are basically investment bundles, you'll need some capital, which is just a fancy way of saying moolah. How much moolah are we talking about? Here's where things get interesting. Questrade has different minimum requirements depending on the type of account you choose. Let's break down the most common ones. Self-directed investing account. This is your basic DIY investing account. The minimum to get your trade on is $250. This is a great option if you want to take control of your investments and build your portfolio brick by brick. Tax-sheltered accounts. These accounts come in a few flavors, like the TFSA, tax-free savings account, and the RRSP, registered retirement savings plan. They offer tax advantages to help you grow your money for specific goals. The minimum deposit for these accounts can vary, but it's typically around the same $250 mark. Beyond the minimums. While the minimums are a good starting point, remember, they're just that, a starting point. The amount you should actually invest depends on your individual goals and risk tolerance. Here's a golden rule: only invest what you can afford to lose. Investing involves risks, and there's always the chance that the market goes south. Don't worry, it goes north sometimes too. Investing on a shoestring. Maybe you're a budgeting pro and $250 seems like a mountain to climb. There are still ways to get started with micro-investing platforms that allow you to invest tiny amounts, like fractional shares. It's a great way to dip your toes in the water and learn the ropes without breaking the bank. The takeaway? You don't need a bottomless bank account to start investing with Questrade. Whether it's a symbolic dollar or a carefully saved $250, every contribution is a step towards your financial future. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, be consistent, and focus on building your knowledge and experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.